So we continue again. We should be day 3. Where do we're gonna fix this one? I see that now. I am down. No, from the third finger. Do re mi fa sol la si do. One, two, four. Then from the third strings. 1 3 1 2 4 1 3 4. If you want to run your scale, we're gonna put the strings and you enjoy it. But it's been a while I actually played keyboard, not a guitar. Can you play guitar? For those who can play guitar, let me know in the comment section. Now very soon I'll be fixing the strings. I'll fix all the strings. 1 2 3 4. Every good boy deserves a. The last string is Steve. E D G D A E. Am I right? Yeah, it's been a while I actually played guitar, but more focus on the one we did for our phone first. This one a minor issue. So today I think we should just remove all the keys and we can wash it. Let's wash it, right? Yeah. Let's remove it and let's do a little service. I'm sure you remember how it started. If you don't remember, go back to our previous video. You see how it started. I was enjoying the mood, maybe all of a sudden, the sudden became sudden. It's funny though, but it's the reality. So, let's remove this octave. Most people don't know how to remove it, but it's not that hard. You just take it, right? Then you easily place it and remove them gently. It's not force. It. Yeah. Now we can remove the first black. Be consistent in whatever you do. Yeah, I have a lot of projects that if you see projects with the front, a lot of people, we've been talking about, Dammick is all about digitization, optimization, and monetization, right? Yeah, it's time to digitalize it's time to digitalize your business. Most businesses are still not digitalized and they still run things manually. And that is what Dammick is all about. We bring your business to the digital space and whatever you need, we can help you promote your business at the digital space, and we make life easy for business owners. And the funnest, not just business owners, even individual entrepreneur, big business owner, corporate organization, even nation. Yeah. Yes, now, bad now if Nigeria just call Dammick like this, Nigeria government, right? Just call Dammick like, we need 50 youths we want them to train or to learn digital skills, right? AI and all this thing that can make the world or Nigeria business go to the next level, right? Because if you look at the Western country and China and so many things, they understand the power of technology and they use it to their advantage, even in the business sector, the private sector, in every sector, creating robots, having this. I know some people are still scared of AI, but they play. So, Dammick is always there for you, right? In your business, in everything you need. And they tell now, even president, I know say the year, even Mr. Dangote, I notice he's now very active in the digital space. So I love you. going for interview and doing so many things. That is a great one. And he understands the power of digitalization. And if you look at his business now, he's really pushing Africa, Nigeria, and the globe. Yeah, his fuel jet is not the most distributed, most sought after fuel jet in the world now. So, Aman is doing making good. Mr. Dammick is bringing industry to Africa in a big way, like seriously, in a massive way. So shout out to Mr. Dammick. Don't forget Dammick #1 plan for this year is to have a 10-minute business maturity. It go happen. Mr. Dammick will just call, hello, I've been seeing you, wonderful. Let's talk. He dey laugh. Okay, he go shock you. I go see post in your sound. But before that, let's focus on this one. We're almost through. Yeah, for people who sabi keyboard, abeg, wetin this have fit do to this thing? Because I no understand. Yeah, power dey enter am. If I test am like this, yeah, e bring light. I look at our tester, dey bring light. And power still enter this place too. So, please, abeg, wetin you think say fit burn? Na the on high seal, abi na the transformer, I think na which one burn. So I think na this one. I don't even understand. Please, if you know how to fix the keyboard, let's fix it. Because the truth of the matter is this thing is going to teach us consistency. And for my fans out there that have been engaging and watching Dammick content, you know that we've been talking and we continue to intensify on the importance of consistency. Yeah, consistency beats motivation in every ramification. Take it from me. So, this is going to teach us how to be consistent. And until we finish up, we be here. We are what? We are here. We are what? We are here. So we don't lose and finish. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is it. So what? Let me go watch out. Come with me. We need something to clean it. Let's go. See.